I'm Jack from CryoDrive, and since buying one of the highest mileage GT3s on the market, I've been looking for a solution to protect and restore it. CryoDrive is the UK's first dry ice solution tailored specifically to the automotive market. Using aircraft-grade dry ice technology, we're able to preserve vehicles in ways not previously possible. Dry ice uses a process called sublimation, a change from solid to gas which expands up to 800 times, helping to revive critical components that dirt, debris and grime may have built up on. The process is safe on nearly all materials, including metals, plastics, glass, leather, rubbers and electrics, meaning we can clean all crucial areas such as engine bays, interiors and entire chassis. Dry ice cleaning involves no liquids, chemicals and is non-abrasive, making it an efficient and safe way to protect your vehicle and future-proof the investment you have made in it. So if you've got a modern classic, a Goodwood racer, or even something that doesn't require an MOT, we'd love to talk to you about how we can add value to your car.